Hey guys, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal, and today I am going to go and pick up some yarn that I ordered online for curbside pickup from Joann's. So we're going to be doing an unboxing a little bit later, so I'm going to go pick up the yarn, show you it's not a very large order, it's just a small one for a pretty good sale that they had, and I will meet you back here with Jolie to go ahead and unbag the haul. We made it to Joann's, of course. So due to COVID-19, we can't go inside. It is curbside pickup. So we are going to give them a call and wait for them to bring it out. Okay, so I am driving down, well, I'm not driving right now, but I was driving down on the way to Joann's, and I saw these guys on the corner set up with a little microphone and everything, and they're yelling compliments to all the cars driving by. So I am waiting at the light to get back to my house, and I wanted to show you guys. Good, hi! Thank you!
We're trying to be happy and give out positive vibes.
Good job. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Stay safe and stay healthy. So these signs are posted up all over, and those are the guys that are on the corner, and it's so cute that they're just trying to spread love and positivity. Hi guys, I'm Crystal.
I'm Jolie.
And today we have our Joann's yarn haul to show you. Stay tuned, because after our yarn haul, I'm going to show you guys some projects that are upcoming that you'll be able to see in the next month. We are also sitting outside. We live in sunny Southern California. We're actually sitting in the shade, and it is 90 degrees in the shade, so it's a really hot day. But we wanted to take the video outside for a change and show you what we've got. Julie's going to help me to show you guys the haul. Now, it's not a huge haul, but we've got some stuff to show you.
You broke that open like it was a piece of cake.
Oh, look.
Right when I said cake, it had cake on it.
So the first one that we've got here
I don't even...
is the Lions brand cupcake.
It's called cupcake.
Well, it's cupcake, and the color is coffee break. So it's got all of these colors: browns, creams, grays, dark grays mixed in. I did make a sweater with this same color, which I really liked quite some time ago. And I tried to order enough to make another sweater, but they canceled part of my order and only sent me 2. So we'll see. Hopefully I can pick up a few more and make that. So we've got 2 of these. The cupcake, in case you're not familiar with it, is 100% acrylic. It comes in a 5.3 ounce cake with 590 yards, and it is a light 3-way. It's really similar to the mandala. So I'm not exactly positive why there's cupcake and why there's mandala, but that's what it's equivalent to. Okay, the next one that we have,
This one's gonna be my favorite now. This one is from the same place, Cupcake, and it's called Street Lights.
so it's got really pretty teals, light teals, yellow to gray mixed in. I did make a few small projects with this colorway before, and I really liked it, so ordered a couple more of them, but again, we've only got 2 now, so we'll figure out what we can make with 2, or we will just wait and place an order for more so we can make a bigger project.
Ow.
Okay, so next we have Lions brand again, called
Ice Cream. Ooh.
Ice Cream.
Now, Mom, can we get ice cream? Ooh, I don't know if that word, or is it just that?
Blueberry.
This is called Blueberry. Very pretty.
This colorway is blueberry. It comes in a skein of 3.5 ounces, 225 yards, 47% cotton, 53% acrylic, and it says that it's a medium 4-weight. It seems pretty thin to me. I would consider it a heavier 3 or a really light 4. And it's kind of like variegated in a change with lots of different blue colors. This colorway again is called Blueberry. It feels pretty soft, and it's a good mixture of cotton and acrylic, so good for like a beach cover-up maybe, or something along that. Great for the summertime. And we've got
3 of them.
3 of these, which hopefully is, gosh, that's only 675 yards. I wonder if I ordered more and they just didn't send, because I'm not sure what I can make with that unless I'm going to make a teeny tiny something. We shall see. The next one we have is also Lion's brand. Now, this yarn is called True Boo.
What? No, let's try this one.
True Boo. I know, it's the same yarn. This one's just a different color. Lion's brand True Boo. This one is mauve. What color is that one?
This one is Seaform. I'm gonna call it mint though.
Seafoam, which is minty,
I'm gonna call it mint.
and a white.
Snow.
So I've got
Snowy.
these 3 colors that we picked up. This is a 100% rayon from bamboo. I'm not sure exactly what that means. It's a very light 3-weight yarn, which I would definitely agree with, or even like a heavy 2. I thought it was a 2 when I ordered it. 3.5 ounces, 241 yards. That's interesting. This one is 3.5 ounces, 225 yards. So in between this medium 4 and this light 3, there's only a 16-yard difference. But they look very different. So it's thin, but it seems to be like maybe a little bit heavier. Recommends a 4mm hook. Machine washable, but you lay flat to dry. That's it. It's really pretty, really soft. It's got a really nice sheen sheer on it, if you can tell. So that is our Joann's haul from today. They had a really great deal, so I took advantage and used a gift card that I got for Christmas. I know it's April and I still haven't used my gift cards yet, but I did go ahead and was able to do that. I usually wait for really good sales, and those had a really great sale. We put out a video last Saturday. Yes, it did take us over a week for our order to be ready so we could actually go and pick it up. So I imagine that it probably would have been shipped faster. Our Mandala Tweed unboxing, it was shipped much faster. Oh, I want to show you guys some of the upcoming projects that are going to be upcoming. Usually if we do an unboxing or a yarn haul, I always show you guys what is upcoming. So let me go ahead and grab those things and we will take a look. Okay, so the first thing you guys are going to see coming up will either be at the end of this month or the beginning of next month. Now this one is called the Starfish Baby Blanket. It is a 5-point star. This one is made with Red Heart Ombre, and it is really just made of double crochets and front post double crochets, and then the border is a very smooth. It doesn't have a texture at all, so depending on the color that you go with, I have some testers making it look like it's a starfish in the sand, which is kind of cool. Okay, so the next one that is upcoming, that will be right after this, is this one upcoming is called the Lisanne Shawl. It is technically more of a scarf, a very long scarf, like a triangular scarf. I'll put some pictures up for you guys to see, but it's made really nicely. I want to do another one in a solid color, but with cluster stitches, and these cluster stitches really kind of allow you to see that really pretty twist that it gives to the yarn. So look for that one in the first week of May. And the one after that is called the Flounder Fan Kids Cardigan. Now this one, I'll put some pictures up so you can see it on Jolie, but this is a child size, which is the first one that we're gonna do. I'm gonna have an adult size coming afterwards.
It's very warm.
It is
Cold.
really warm,
Cold.
but light
Cold, sorry.
at the same time. This is a lightweight 4. We'll use the mandala tweed yarn that we had the unboxing for last weekend. So I did go ahead and create this, long sleeves, beautiful texture, staggered fans, really, that's why we're calling it flounder fan. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe so you can keep an eye out on the pattern release. Now, the adult size I'm still working on. It should go into testing soon. I need to work the arms, but I'm doing the adult size in a solid color. This one I'm using the ZZ twist yarn. I got that when it was on sale for $1 actually on the Lions Brand website. So this will be the adult size. You can use the solid or a slow changing color. Okay, so the last thing I have working on, I'm working on the adult size first on this one, and then I will probably do a child size after that. This one I'm also using the mandala tweed. Let's see if I can get the pattern to show you guys. It is going to be called the Slanted Granny Pullover. It will be a V-neck, and it will also be in a vertical rows. So this will be a panel like that, and then we will continue on with the arms and seam it all up together like this, and it'll be a fun project. All right. That's all I have to show you right now. It's a pretty good amount for what you're going to see upcoming in May. And next week you should see the starfish blanket tutorial, and Jolie has a few words that she would like to say to you.
I'd like to say to subscribe, hit the bell that's next to subscribe once it's gray, click on it and click all. Go to the Jolie Knots Crochet community group on her Facebook.
And we are on Facebook and Instagram under Jolie Knots Crochet. Don't forget to follow us for the newest pattern releases. Enjoy your weekend, everybody.
Bye. Stay home. Wash your hands.